Hi Virgo, ako ulit. Mga kayo VG, kamusta kayo dyan? Sana po ay okay lang kayo. Nandito na naman ako, pero late lang. At least nandito pa rin. Tingnan natin Virgo kung anong ganap sa'yo, mga kayo VG. Salamat po pala sa mga new subscribers, sa mga nag-like, at saka sa mga nag-comment. Appreciated po. At saka po sa mga hindi po makaka-resonate ng mga Virgos, better luck next time po. Baka po energy nyo na masagap ko. Sana po ay naririnig nyo ako, okay? So, pagpasensyahan nyo muna yung settings ko, mga Virgings, because temporarily. Okay, so tingnan natin ang audio ko, bahala na kayo. Tinatry ko din ng best ko para may deliver ko lang sa inyong message. So, tingnan natin kung anong ganap sa'yo, Virgo. Anong meron. Maring naganap na, magaganap pa lang or kasalukuyang magaganap, Virgo. Tingnan natin. For my Virgo, please. Collective, Virgo Collective, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. What do we have for my Virgos? Eight of Pentacles. Work, 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 work. Virgo. Ooh. Magician. Ang ganda day. May nahulog pa oh. Eight of Pentacles, the Magician card. Ace of Swords, tsaka Ace of Wands. Ang daming new beginning, Virgo. Minamanifest mo ba to? Okay. With the Knight of Pentacles. But we will see. Merong offer dito. Hindi ko alam kung offer to or apology. But we will see. Clarify each card. So, Virgo, sa nakikita ko with the Eight of Pentacles, merong, hindi ko alam kung anong wino-workout mo, Virgo. Pero I think minamanifest mo to. Okay. Lahat ng tools meron ka actually. Okay. With the Magician card, meron kang cups, wands, swords, meron ka pang infinity. Yung infinity nagre-represent ng idea yan. Okay. Hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng, anong minamanifest mo with the Ace of Wands. Virgo, yung passionate ka talaga. Yun ang gagawin mo. Okay. Titingnan natin, clarify natin each card. Doon ka yayaman, pre. So, kung ano talaga ang passion mo. Kung ano talaga ang talent mo. Gets mo ko. Tingnan natin. Clarify the Eight of Pentacles. Clarify the Eight of Pentacles. Eight of Cups. Eight of Wands. Tangina, puro 8-8-8, brad. Justice card, karma. Sasabihin ko pangalang karma. Kasi 8-8 karma number yan eh. The World card. Meron kang tinapos, Virgo, tapos meron kang sinimulan. What I mean is, meron kang tinapos na isang, nag-walk away ka dito eh. Tinapos mo to with the Eight of Cups. Walking away. Walking away, why? Bakit? Ang Eight of Cups is walking away to the situation na hindi na fit para sa'yo, hindi ka na belong. You know what I mean? Kung sa makikita mo yung mga meaning kasi tong card na to eh. Ayan, napapakita ko sa'yo. Disappointment. Parang feeling ko take for granted. Ay, ang tawag yan. Hindi enough. Ang dami mong pinakitang good traits, good character sa trabaho na yon, sa career na yon. But at the same time, parang tinake for granted ka lang. So, nag-walk away ka dito. Okay. Para bagang with the Justice card, meron kang karma dito, pre. Clarify more the Tower card. Very unexpected. Meron kang sinot down dito, pre, na hindi ko lang alam. Hindi ko lang alam kung anong, pero ang lakas ng karir. Okay. Nag-walk away ka sa isang job or sa isang karir na hindi ka na fit doon, pre. Kumbaga, hindi ka na bilong. Hindi ka na bilong sa workplace na to or sa career na to. Hindi ko alam kung currently na-feel mo na kailangan mong mag-move, kailangan mong mag-resign, kailangan mong something. Okay. Kung ikaw ang Virgo na nakaka-feel na para bagang take for granted ka sa trabaho lagi, you need to move. Okay. Ang requirements sa'yo dito, tsaka sa ayaw at sa gusto mo with the Tower card, ang universe ang gagalaw para sa'yo. Okay, kasi it's not meant for you to be there. Hindi, kasi ang issue dito, kasi meron kang Ace of Wands eh. Ace of Wands, this is your passion. Okay. Actually, ang Virgo, kahit saan mo naman sila ilagay, flexible naman sila. Kahit saan mo sila ilagay, what I mean is madaling maka-adapt. You know what I mean? But, at the same time, kung titiisin mo yung sarili mo, itatago mo ang sarili mo, like, kung who you truly are, edi may stuck ka talaga, what I mean, hindi ka mag-grow. Actually, nag-grow ka dito. Marami kang natutunan, marami kang experience, okay? But, hanggang doon na lang, pre. Tsaka binigay mo ng pinaka-the best mo, there is no regret. Okay? Kasi bakit ko nasabi yan? Meron kang justice card at saka the world card, pre. So, it's meant for you. Parang, ano nga tawag dyan? Tama lang na dinaanan mo yung career na to. You know what I mean? Para mahasa ka. Okay, with the justice card, Virgo, this is a cause and effect. Okay. Cause and effect karma card, kung anong binigay mo, siyang babalik sa'yo. You know what I mean? Kung alam mo sa karir mo, wala kang ginawang kuskus balungos, alam mo yon, alam mong transparent ka, wala kang inabandona, wala kang inapakang tao, and you know better. Okay, with the tower card, very unexpected. Okay, shocking to eh. Shocking walking away to eh. With the 8 of cups at saka 8 of ang 8 of wands kasi is action and communication. Okay. Di ko alam kung sinabi mo to or nagbigay ka ng hint or nagbigay ka ng conclusion na magre-resign ako or something, kailangan kong tumiwalag or kailangan kong mag-start somewhere else. With the Ace of Swords and the Ace of Wands and the Magician card. Okay. Very unexpected to Virgo na makaka-feel ka ng sudden walking away. Kasi take for granted ka dito. Hindi mag-walk away, hindi lalabas ang 8 of Cups underneath ng clarification ng 8 of Pentacles kung hindi ka taking for granted sa trabaho. Okay. With the 8 of Wands. Okay. 8 of Wands, siguro matagal mo na itong tinatago and now you are free to talk. You are free to say something. Okay. Okay. Very unexpected mo tong binitawan or very unexpected mo tong, you know what I mean. With the 4 of Pentacles and the Moon card and the 10 of Pentacles. Oh, wow. Hindi ka nakaka-save dito, Virgo eh. Yun ang nakikita ko. 3 of Pentacles, 4 of Pentacles to the 3 of Pentacles. Meron kang trabaho, meron kang specific na trabaho na drain ka lagi. Hindi ka nakakaipon. Para pa sa mga Virgo na hindi makaka-resonate, better luck next time po ha. Pero para po to sa mga Virgo collective na nasa trabaho siya for how many years, pero wala siyang ipon. Yun ang mga time, hindi ka makaka-save. Okay. Why? Because there is a hidden agenda here. With the 10 of Pentacles. I mean, silip mo na ikaw ang pinakagrabing trabaho tas ikaw ang pinakamaliit ang gets mo ako, Virgo. Meron kang mentality na ganun. Ewan ko. I don't know. Pero sa majority ng Virgo dito ngayon na nakikita ko is alam mo kung magkano ang income ng kumpanya pero ang binibigay sa'yo is bare minimum. Okay, pero ikaw binibigay mo pinaka-the best mo. Okay. Halos overtime, hindi mo pa trabaho, tatrabahuin mo pa. But, take for granted ka dito, kaya may walking away. Okay, so, everybody is shocked with the Tower card and the 3 of Pentacles and the 4 of Pentacles with the Moon card. I think, may naka-realize dito na you deserve something more. You deserve a raise. Kailangan mo ng raise. Kailangan mo ng... But I think huli na kasi may walking away na dito eh. Okay. So, hindi ko alam kung merong mag-o-offer sa'yo dito with the Knight of Cups. May Knight of Pentacles. Excuse me, wait lang. Sorry lang. May mag-o-offer sa'yo dito, Virgo. Okay, hindi ko alam kung tatasan ang sweldo mo or hindi ko alam, basta may offer dito na something. Okay. Pero magte-take place to parang ang tagal pa eh. Kasi ang Knight of Cups, slowly but surely. Okay, so, nasa sayo pa rin yan, Virgo. Kung ikaw ang Virgo na, ang tagal mo na sa field, pero hindi ka nakakaipon, king inang yan. Alam mo kung anong ilan ang kita ng kumpanya, pero bare minimum lang. Hindi naman mo naman sinabi na maximum dapat ang matanggap mo or kalahati. What I mean is, what you deserve. Kung ano yung deserve mo na sahod dapat. may nakarealize niyan dito the moment na nag-walk away ka na you deserve something, raise, bonus, or something. Okay. So, yun ang nakikita ko sa first row, Virgo. Clarify the Magician. Wow, the Hierophant card. May nagmamanifest sa'yo dito, Virgo. With the Seven of Wands and the King of Swords and the Hangman. Merong isang person dito, Virgo, na gusto kang ipasok contractually or maybe ikaw ang nagpaplanong. Kasi meron tayong kontrata dito with the Hierophant card. Tsaka, napapaisip ako kasi ang Seven of Wands para sa akin is standing your ground. Pinaglalaban mo kung ano yung alam mong dapat. Okay, hindi ko alam kung ikaw ang naglalaban nito or there is something behind the scene. May nakikipaglaban dito na kung ano ang dapat. Okay, with the Hierophant card. Hierophant card and the Magician. May nagmamanifest sa'yo dito. Hindi ko alam kung ikaw ang nagmamanifest on something new beginning for your own career. At the same time, may nagmamanifest din sa'yo outside. Okay. Hindi ko alam kung aware ka dito. Okay. Hindi ko alam kung related to sa first row. Okay, but for me, meron dito, with the Hangman, merong delay. Hindi ko alam kung bakit delay. But I think with the King of Swords, ang lakas ng galawan mo dito. Ang King of Swords para sa akin is a smart mover. Okay. Hindi na siya, titingin siya sa lesson niya, pre. Okay. Titingin ka sa lesson mo kung ano yung natutunan mo regarding sa career na to. Kung gusto mo na may pabalik ka with the Knight of Cups, pero matagal ang proseso, it's up to you. Okay, Virgo. Kasi sa nakita ko dito sa offer na to, mabagal pero slowly but surely, sa nakikita ko. Pero parang feeling ko nag-walk away ka na dito. Okay, this is cause and effect. May sudden realization dito na, dang, laking kawalan, pre. Okay, kasi hina-hide sa'yo ang dapat na para sa'yo eh. O, the Moon card at saka Ten of Pentacles. Alam mo kung magkano ang income ng company. Pero ang kinikip sa'yo to eh. With the Four of Pentacles. Binibigyan ka lang ng, sinisales stock ka lang, pre. With the Three of Pentacles to the Four of Pentacles. Okay. Hindi ka nakakasave dito. Okay, sa first row. But I think this is all, lahat ay mag-i-end, lahat ay may katapusan. So, I think, in-end mo to unexpectedly. In-end mo to unexpectedly, Virgo. And justice is here. Justice is here. Karma is here. Okay, the Justice card is here. Merong communication dito. Hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng communication dyan. Basta may nakikita ko communication back and forth on something. Okay, regarding sa mga walking away, regarding sa unexpected cut-off. Yun ang nakikita ko. So, Virgo, okay. Yun ang sa first round. Sa second row, meron mo nagmamanifest sa'yo dito. Kung ikaw ang nagmamanifest on something new beginning with your career, or nag-iisip ka ng mga business, new business ideas, Virgo, with the Ace of Swords at Ace of Wands. Okay, meron ka ditong pagdadaanan regarding sa mga law. Okay, with the Hierophant card. Hierophant card is all about law, beliefs. Basta, it's all about law. Okay. Tapos, my Seven of Wands is all about what you believe in. Kailangan mo paglaban, kailangan mong i-push. Okay. Mga naysayers, hindi ka makikinig sa mga sabi-sabi ng iba. Ikaw ang gagalaw, ipaglalaban mo kung ano yung alam mo kung anong beliefs mo, okay, kung anong pananaw mo, okay. Or, kung hindi ikaw to, merong something outside of your, outside energetically, na may nagmamanifest sa'yo dito na, with the offer card, he's being here, okay, pero merong delay, may delay lang, okay, pero ang galawan nito is mautak din, so be careful, Virgo. Kung sino man dito ang nag-offer sa'yo ng job offer, just be careful. Use your own discernment. Okay, Virgo? Kung sino man ang nag-offer, tangin na may Lovers card, pre. Tsaka Knight of Wands. Merong someone dito, Virgo, or sonada ka nito. Hindi ko alam, kaya siguro, feel mo din na very pushy. Very pushy ang person na to na, sige, pre, apply ka dito, or what, something. Yan, mapipil mo yung intention niya, pre, yung mga offer ng job offer, or mga kung something sales talk na, merong mga delay dito, but definitely, ang kausap mo dito is King of Swords, or maybe ikaw to, ang King of Swords is nag-i-embody ng smart mover, utakan ng galawan, based on your experience, hindi magiging King of Swords. Ang King of Swords, kung hindi sa naging experience niya sa pinagdaanan. So, baka ikaw ang King of Swords, dinidelay mo lang ang sitwasyon or ini-stagnant mo lang ang sitwasyon, but at the same time, meron kang planong iba. I don't know kasi bakit ko nasabi yan. The Lover's card is all about making a decision. Okay? Making a decision and making things done. Ang Knight of Wands para sa akin is a fast mover as well. Very passionate, very inspired. Okay. Meron kang Ace of Wands dito, dalawa Ace of Wands. Ang ganda ng card ng tatlong to. Itong nasa taas. Gets mo cover ko. Kung sino man tong mag-over sa'yo or kung sinong nagmamanifest sa'yo ng or job offer or something, magaling din ang galawan mo, but be careful pa rin kasi baka siya ang nagpo-possess ng King of Swords energy, mga galawan niya. Okay. So, okay. Tingnan natin, kano kay the Lover's card? Six of Swords at saka Page of Cups. Dang. Clarify more. The Sun card. Hindi ko alam, Virgo, kung sino to para sa'yo, pero this person is may crush sa'yo. Yun lang ang masasabi ko, pre. Mini mo. Yun ang masasabi ko dito, may crush to sa'yo, pre. Very passionate. Ano ko lang sa mga job offer, kung sino man yan siya, pero either way, lalaki, babae man ang nag-aaya sa'yo ng job offer, this person admire you. Okay. Ina-admire ka niya, masaya siya kapag nakakapag-share siya sa'yo ng mga idea or nakakapag-share siya sa'yo ng mga information regarding sa trabaho or regarding sa mga kung ano pa man. Okay. So, yun ang nakikita ko sa second row, Virgo. Kung sino man yan para sa'yo. Sa third row, Ace of Swords. Clarify, wow. Queen of Swords. King inang yan. Ten of Swords. Sabi ko sa'yo, hindi pwedeng maging king and queen ang swords based on their experience. Hindi sila pwedeng tumungtong dyan kung hindi sila nahasa sa sitwasyon. Ten of Swords is stabbing in the back. Hit rock bottom na to eh. Wala nang 11 sa tarot. So, Ten of Swords, stabbing in the back. Alam ng Queen of Swords kung sino ang totoo at kung sino ang plastic. Yun ang nakikita ko dito. So, ang alam ko, the Queen of Swords, meron siyang plano, but meron siyang, anong tawag niya, X-ray eyes na sinasabi. Okay. Alam niya kung, with the Four of Swords, nag-heal na to eh. Judgment card, naka-final judgment ka na with the Five of Pentacles, feeling left out in the cold. Tangay na, you don't give a fuck dito, Virgo. So, nakikita ko dito with the Ace of Swords, you will do your own, you first. Parang, it's me time kind of energy ang nakikita ko dito. Okay. With the Four of Swords, this is a healing card, Virgo. Okay. Four of Swords with the Judgment card. Okay. Naka-heal ka na dito, Virgo. Ang galing naman. Okay. Meron kang inabandon na dito. Meron kang King of Cups na inabandon na. Five of Pentacles to the King of Cups. Meron kang inabandon na dito. One foot in, one foot out ka sa person na to. Okay. I don't know who is this for you. Pero meron kang inabandon na dito. Wala kang ibang focus dito kundi ang business mo or magiging income mo. This is an aha moment for you. Okay. Na hindi ka magsasettle anything for less. Okay. Meron kang inabandon ng King of Cups dito. Nakapag-final judgment ka na you're gonna put yourself first. Okay, Virgo. Kasi ang daming nangyaring betrayal dito with the Ten of Swords. Betrayal, cheating, lying, stealing. Ten of Swords to eh, sagaran to. Ubus na pasensya mo dito eh. Hindi ko alam kung sino tong person na to sa'yo. Pero parang feeling ko na meron ka ng final judgment sa kanya. Tsaka nag-healing ka na or nag-healing ka pa rin. Okay, with the judgment and the Four of Swords. Okay, so meron kang mentality dito na let it go and let it fly. Okay, it is what it is. Yun ang mentality mo dito, Virgo. Kung sino man tong inabandon na mo, Virgo, this person is just like hindi niya rin alam kung anong ihahakbang niya. Nakikita ka niya as silip niya dito kasi ang two of wands, you can see the light at the end of the tunnel. Okay. But at the same time, one foot in, one foot out ka. Yung isang paa niya nasa loob, yung isang paa niya nasa labas. Pero hawak niya yung mundo, silip niya kung ano ang there's more than meets the eye. Alam niyang marami pang may explore. Alam niyang marami pang pwedeng i-explore. Okay. But at the same time, this person is like thinking about something. Hindi ko alam kung ikaw to or the person that you're connecting with. Sabi ko na nga ba, confused. With the 7 of Cups. Okay. This person, hindi niya alam kung marami kang option or marami kang ini-explore or kung anong ginagawa mo behind the scene. Kasi parang feeling ko with the Queen of Swords, ang taas na ng boundary mo dito. Hindi ka niya na ma-reach. Okay. At saka parang feeling ko, this person knows. Alam niya kung anong ginagawa niya. Hindi mo masasabi na hindi ko sinasadya. No. Alam niya kung anong ginagawa niya. This person, kung sino man tong inabandon mo, Virgo, alam niya kung anong ginagawa niya. Okay. So, this person, iniisip niya dito, ano ba, may pag-asa pa ba? Di ko alam kung anong kanta yun, pre. Basta sa nakikita ko dito, this person is confused. Okay, very confused. Hindi niya alam kung nag-i-explore ka ng option mo. Pero at the same time, holding on pa rin siya. Okay, with the devil card. Dang. Grabe naman ang isip nito sa'yo, no? Ang tawag niya, namamahid ng sarili niyang tai, Brad. With the devil card and the 7 of cups. Ang isip ng tao, ang isip niya sa'yo, Brad, is like, nag-happy-happy ka, kung saan-saan ka, o sino-sinong kasama mo. Like, what in the world? Para bagang lasing ka kung saan. I don't know. You know better, Virgo. Okay. But this person, kaya mo siguro siya iniwan with the 5 of Pentacles, feeling left out in the cold siya sa'yo, at ikaw ay nagsasaya. God damn it, isip mo lang ang papatay sa'yo. Yun na lang. Ewan ko, Virgo, kung anong ginagawa mo behind the scene, pero para sa akin, nakapokus ka sa karir mo with the 8 of Pentacles and the Ace of Wands and the Ace of Swords. Okay, bayaan silang mag-isip, Virgo. Maganda lang yung ginagawa mo energy ng Queen of Swords. Kasi ang Queen of Swords is very cold. Okay. So, yes, Virgo, yun ang nakikita ko sa third row. Tingnan natin ng fourth row mo. Ace of, clarify the Ace of Wands. That card. Two of Cups, oh my God. Page of Wands. Page of Pentacles. Ace of Cups, oh my God. This is a past person. I think iisipin ko na ng new person pero nagpapout ng 6 of Cups. Underneath ng Ace of Cups. Knight of Pentacles, meron tayo ulit Knight of Pentacles. Meron ang offer dito, Virgo. Hindi lang siya sa business, hindi lang siya sa career, pero sabi ko sa'yo, may gusto to sa'yo eh. May gusto to sa'yo. Okay. Hindi ko rin alam kung in some point meron kayong past or something. Basta yun ang nakikita ko. 6 of Cups in the High Priestess and you know it. This person wants a new beginning with you. Virgo. Hindi ko alam kung tatanggapin mo pa or something. Knight of Swords at the bottom of the deck. Sa third row, Virgo, sa nakikita ko, that card and the Lover's card, this person want a new beginning with you. With the Ace of Wands. Oh my God. And this person, nostalgia to, pre. Nostalgia, pre. 6 of Cups, Ace of Cups, Knight of Pentacles, and the High Priestess. You can feel it. Okay, I think you can feel it. And I think both of you napipil yung isa't isa. Page of Wands tsaka Page of Pentacles. But this person is immature. Hindi ko alam kung sino sa'yo yan. Okay. Parang akala ko business na tong inang Ace of Wands. Akala ko passion mo na to eh. Pero meron palang very passionate towards you. That card and the Two of Cups in the some point. Meron kayong relationship, past relationship with this person or past experience. In any way, shape, or form, Virgo, this person, wala na siyang ibang gusto kundi magsimula. Start a new beginning with you. And this person, hindi niya alam, pero alam niya with the High Priestess kasi nandito ang high intuition card. Okay na. Inang hirap naman ito. Bakit ba ganito? Bakit ganito nararamdaman ko? 6 of Pentacles, 6 of Wands, Victory card. Alam niyo magiging successful at the end of the day. Lakas ng kursunada nito, pre. Para bang ang lakas ng kursunada niya na one of these days kayo pa rin. Like hell no. Lakas ng kursunada nito, pre. Hindi ko alam kung nakain ito, but it is what it is. Pero ikaw dito parang feeling ko focus ka on something. Meron kang mga ideas dito, meron kang ni-left behind, and this person is thinking about saan-saan ka, kung anong ginagawa mo, or what or something. Wala man tayong spy card dito, pero ang mentality niya is 7 of Cups and the Devil card. Ever since, simulat sa pool na binitawan mo siya, left out in the cold mo siya, Virgo. Ito nang isip niya. Very confused, di niya alam kung anong isipin niya, very toxic, ang dumi ng isip niya, pre. Ang dumi. So, tingnan natin kung anong advice sa'yo, Virgo. Yun lang masasabi ko. Sana yung naka-resonate. Pahala na kayo, Virgo, kung saan kayo lalapag dyan. Para sa mga Virgo na hindi makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. Pero tingnan natin kung anong advice sa'yo, Virgo. Anong advice kay Virgins? Tingnan natin. Give me advice card for my Virgo, please. Hold on to your vision. Hindi ko alam kung anong vision meron ka, pero ang sabi dito is hold on to your vision, Virgo. A time to give rather than to take. Hindi ko alam kung sino yan. Nothing will come up to the situation. So, you know better, Virgo. Kung ano man, para saan man sa'yo yung advice na yan, okay? The answer you need are coming. Okay. So, Virgo, yun lang nakikita ko dito, Virgo. Yun ang advice sa'yo. Hold on to your vision. Nothing will come into the situation. A time to give rather than to take. So, ewan ko kung saan ka lalapag dyan. Okay. So, you know better, Virgo. Pero meron akong kutob dito. Nothing will come into the situation. You know better. Okay. Di ko alam kung meron kang vision na something na wala kang future into this connection, or may future ka man, or ewan ko. Pero ang sabi dito, nothing will come into the situation. Nothing will come into the situation. Why is that? The end of a top cycle approaches. Really? Ano pa? Tangina na, curious tuloy ako. Have faith in your dreams. Okay. Kung ano man yung nasa isip mo, Virgo, surrender it to the divine. I-surrender mo yan siya. Hold on mo yung vision mo. A time to give to yourself rather than to take to yourself. So, this is yourself, Virgo. Hindi ko sinabing taker ka. But what I mean is, parang, ang napipil ko dito sa card na to is like, masyado ka ng maraming binigay. I mean, binigay mo ng pinaka mo, it's time for you to give to yourself, okay? Tama bang sinabi ko? Tama. Ito ang nararamdaman ko sa ibang klase ang pakiramdam ko dito sa card na to ngayon eh. Okay. Maraming nag-tick. Kung saan nakikita mo, Virgo? Sa imagery niya. Tick. Ang dami nag-tick. Drain ka na, Virgo. Collapse ka na dito. Kaya it's time to give to yourself. Okay, rather than to take and give it to someone else that didn't deserve yan eh. Yun ang nakikita ko dito, Virgo. So, nothing will come into the situation. Hindi ko alam kung anong sitwasyon yung iniisip mo. Okay, but ang clarification ng nothing will come into the situation is the end of the top cycle approaches and have faith into your dreams. Hindi ko alam kung anong dreams and desire mo. So, bahala ka na, Virgo, kung saan ka lalapag dyan. Okay, bibigyan kita ng 3 cards, angel number. Virgo, tingnan natin. 3 cards for my Virgo, please. Angel message number. Google mo to, Virgo. Angel message number. Baka makatulong sa sitwasyon mo. Makarelate. Okay. Connected sa message mo ngayon. I-google mo siya. Angel message number. Anong number? J. Meron kang J. So, J. Jack of Hearts. Meron kang guardian angel. Meron pumanaw dito na mga middle age. Isa siya sa mga guardian angel mo, Virgo. So, 865. So, i-google mo yan, Virgo, 865. Angel message 865. Tingnan mo, Virgo. Baka makarasanit sa sitwasyon mo. So, yeah. Yan ang maihahain ko sa'yo, Virgo, sa ngayon. So, bahala na kayo kung saan kayo lalapag dyan. First row, second row, third row, or fourth row. This is what I have for you, Virgo. Thank you for being here, Virgo. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.